how would you use these match types in order to not cannibalize each other. We are going to categorize them for discovery campaigns and exact matches for harvesting whatever works and scaling winners. Now, here it says the question exact phrase broad. What we have also on the keyword targeting side, that is what we have, but also on the product targeting side, we also have exact match and an expansion of the exact match. When it comes down to product, we are categorizing them exactly the same way. So whenever it's exact match on the product side, so the exact ASIN, we are going to consider those ranking campaigns. Now, why the question is great is because the same term live in a broad plus exact, usually people are saying that cannibalization is something that one keyword is eating from each other. What we've seen on our end is, actually we tested this and we had different campaigns that are targeting the same keyword in exact matches. We created 3 campaigns, it's exactly the same keyword, and we allocated 3 different budgets. Now, what happened on our end, first off, what we learned is that even if we are going to push for certain placements like top of search, rest of search, Amazon still is going to favor the one placement. Now, what we noticed, if we're going to create the 3 campaigns that are exact matches, so this falls within the category of, is this going to cannibalize the other campaign? But we found out it's not cannibalizing, rather than it's creating budget to a different placement. And also in case that the first campaign is running out of budget, the second campaign will still have enough budget left in order to pick up the spend for the campaign. So when it comes down to cannibalization, I would say rather focus on having a good negation system and focus on making sure that exact campaigns you're never negating. For broad and praise, you can add negatives. What we would do also, we would structure everything by match type. So whenever we're creating a campaign, it's going to be either broad, either phrase, either match type. We are not going to either exact match type. We are not going to combine them. Why? Because it's taking away traffic from each other. Caveat there, and I'm going to wrap up the answer. What we're seeing on our end, when we're taking over accounts that we have not managed, yet it has been done. Previous account management on the ad side, we do face campaigns that are working really well that were both of the exact match, phrase match, or even broad matches on. In that case, what we're going to call is we're going to see, hey, what's working right now for this campaign, and should we pause one of them? Reason for that is because really whenever you have all the 3 match types inside the one campaign, you cannot control where spend goes, right? Besides the fact that you're going to pause that exact match type. So when it comes down to campaign hygiene, best practice to make sure that you're not going to cannibalize is make sure that you have a good campaign structure. You're never mixing exact with the other match types. That would be the best things, because then you have one source of truth, right? When it comes down to sorting for the exact terms that you want to.